Libya. It's very small, but hey, at least they are here, right? Give them credits for that. Libya is also represented here and focused on the oil-rich desert and its ancient history. The presentation illustrated as Alam being a crossroad of different civilization and culture, with its rich heritage of Roman and Greek ruins. But there's one pavilion nearby I have to see. There's also some love story involved. Now this is also another interesting pavilion, Syria. For those of you who don't know, I used to date someone from that country. Let's check her country out because I think it's going to be very interesting. There's definitely more to war than what's portrayed on media. Syria promotes itself as a birthplace of the world's oldest alphabet, a tiny clay tablet carved with a symbol that sparked the evolution of written words, and celebrate a heritage of sharing knowledge as well as the nation's cultural community and perseverance. As well as the Syria's agricultural history through its seeds and wheat. The different region of Syria that basically grow different type of staples, like sage in Damascus, or down here, Syrian ash from Damascus, and alma, delightful, melons. As you can see, Syria is a has a really long history with a long culture, very colorful culture as well. So, alright, another interesting pavilion, the Holy See, or should we call it the Vatican? We are in here. Really nice. I think there's a lot of artifacts here. Let's check out. If you've been a little naughty, especially if you're Catholic, then there is one pavilion you can come and confess your sins. The purpose of the Holy See Pavilion is to share the culture and history of the Vatican. The architecture and content of the pavilion conveys a message of peace, brotherhood, fraternity, and connection between cultures, especially between Christianity and Islamic cultures and religion. On display is a 3 rare manuscript from the Vatican Library. The ceiling consists of the beautiful recreation of the Holy See's most iconic treasure, the Michelangelo's The Creation of Adam from the Sistine Chapel's ceiling fresco inside the St. Peter's Basilica. Very interesting one, Palau, a country I've been to that I absolutely loved. With that being said, let's go in. I did a show there, by the way. If you haven't watched DIY Destinations Palau, watch it. Oh, wow. The pavilion promotes its fantastic array of marine life, the more than 200 volcanic and coral islands that made up the Pacific nation of Palau, including scenic that range from the near impenetrable jungles to white sandy beach and tranquil crystal clear lagoons. The country is an eco-tourist paradise.